Let's say you needed to know what 124 divided by 8 was. What are you going to do? Well, if you don't know, hopefully this video can help you figure it out. Step 1. Estimation. I know that there are many different ways to do estimation. I'm going to pick my favorite. I know that 124 is really close to 120. It's an easier number to work with. So I take that, and I'm going to think about what is 120 divided by 8. Let me break that into pieces that I know. I know that 80 divided by 8 is 10. And 120 minus 80, I've got 40 left over. So I know that 40 divided by 8, that's pretty easy, that's 5. And so I have nothing left over, and so I know that it's going to be more than 15. So let's do the question, and if I get more than 15, then I know, well, slightly more than 15, then I'll know that I'm on the right path. Visual strategies. So here I'm going to use base 10 blocks, okay? I need to split these up into 8 different groups. And so let's change out that 100 to 10 blocks. And I know that I can split each up 8 groups. I can have at least 10 in each group for sure. So let me just put that in here. And I have to trade out these last 40 for 41 blocks. That way I can split them up. Okay? I reckon with 48 groups, I can fit 5 into each group. So let me go ahead and do that. Stick them in. And I see here that 5 groups should be good. Yeah. So I have 4 left, 4 remaining. Now these can't fit into 8 groups, so they'll have to share half of each one. So let me just put it in the middle. And if I count it up, I've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 1 half. In each group. So I need to figure this out in my mind. What's another way, another strategy that I can use to solve this? Well, I know that 124 divided by 8, that's a fraction. 124 divided by 8, that would be the exact same if I divided both by 2. I know that both are divisible by 2 because they're both even numbers. So if I take 124 and divide that by 2, I'll get 62. 62 divided by, well, divide this by 2 as well, and I get 4. 62 divided by 4 should be the exact same thing as 124 divided by 8 because I divided both sides by the same number. And so 62 and 4, they're both even again. I can divide by 2 again. 31 and 2. Alright, 31, odd number. Can't divide again, but I don't need to. I already know that 30 divided by 2 is 15. And I also know that 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. And so when I add these two up, I know that my answer will be 15.5. And so 31 divided by 2, that equals 15.5. I know that that is the same as 62 divided by 4, and the exact same thing as 124 divided by 8. 15.5. I like to call this strategy the reduce the fraction strategy. And I know it's pretty close to my estimation, which was slightly higher than 15, and so looks like the right answer.
I hope you enjoyed my math video.